Welcome to 10 Thorndike Street in Reading. This cottage-inspired home is filled with personality and unexpected space. There's 2 bedrooms upstairs, 2 bedrooms in the finished lower level, plenty of room to live, work, and host. You're going to love the family room, and there's a sun porch to enjoy the seasons. My name is John from the Ternullo team at Leading Edge Real Estate. For more information on this great home, give me a call at 617-275-3379. And if you're considering a move in or out of the suburbs north of Boston, check us out online at TernulloRealEstate.com.